Thiko igire tu thutha mutongoria wa bururi kuruguria noti njeru mutho wa Madaraka, riu mbeca ici na makiria noti ya ngiri ni ciambiriirie kuhuthika. Ikinya riri ritanyitwo kuhura na thuguri cia magendo hamwe na ciiko cia utoi iria ikoretwo igitabanio na mbeca iria cigitwo manyumba aria mena ciringi milioni 5 gucoka na thĩ makiendwo gwikinya bengi-ini na aria mena makiria ma ciringi milioni 5 makiorio mekinye bengi-ini nene gucenjania mbeca icio.
You have seen some of the cases that have been coming through in terms of illicit flows, illicit transactions. You've also seen, things related to, let's say, I would say odd transactions. Amounts less than 1 million, you can go to your bank, but if you don't have a bank, then you can go to any banking institution, any branch of a banking institution, and they will assist you in the transaction.
Na kuriaria makoretwo makiendekiria matuko maria maraheanirwo kunyihanyihio, Njoroge igite maraheanire ihinda ria mieri ina kuona ringi hekwo makiria aria mari cigo iria itigitwo na thutha hari uthii wa na mbere maya guthinika.
The ones that are punished the most actually will be the shoshos and our people who are at a different level. So this is why we need to have it. We have this balance and hope that it is a correct balance, And obviously there's judgment there, and our judgment was that was a balance. We could strike it there.
Rivoti ino yukite orire mubuga wa Yala Simon Bogu na muteteri wa ihoto cia umundu Okiya Omtata mathiite igoti-ini kuregana na uhuthiri wa noti ici makiuga itikinyaniirie ikiro gigativa macira maria Njoroge igite ni mehaririirie kung'ethanira namo.
We are not waiting for it. We think this is more than just an inconvenience. It is something that we wouldn't call for. But so be it. We are obviously willing to deal with those issues in a matter of urgency.
Njoroge neteteire ikinya ria uruguria wa noti njeru akiuga ni wigiriki wao kuringana na watho, akiuga mecemba gutigirira gutire handu he guthongomana. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, Njĩtagwo Maina, Kĩhumo.